Most beautiful places in Tenerife. Planning a trip to Tenerife? This stunning island is full of breathtaking landscapes, volcanic wonders, and picturesque coastal views. Here are 5 of the most beautiful places to visit in Tenerife. Teide National Park, located in central Tenerife. Home to Spain's highest peak, this UNESCO-listed park offers surreal volcanic landscapes, scenic hiking trails, and panoramic views above the clouds. A must-visit for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Masca Valley, located in northwest Tenerife. A hidden gem surrounded by dramatic cliffs and lush greenery, this remote village offers some of the most stunning scenery on the island. Perfect for hikers and photographers. Los Gigantes Cliffs, located on the west coast. Towering rock formations rising up to 600 meters above the ocean, creating one of the most spectacular coastal landscapes in Tenerife. A great spot for boat tours and dolphin watching. Anaga Rural Park, located in northeast Tenerife. A magical forested region with misty trails, ancient laurel trees, and breathtaking coastal viewpoints. Ideal for those looking to explore Tenerife's wilder side. Playa de Las Teresitas, located in San Andres. A stunning golden sand beach lined with palm trees and calm turquoise waters. One of the most beautiful and relaxing spots on the island. Tenerife is an island full of natural wonders and unforgettable views. Which place would you visit first? Let us know. Links to accommodations near these locations can be found in the description below.